Hi, welcome again to another segment of Math Whizz with me, Gabriella Nero. And you probably know this guest. He was here before. Yes, we have Jahlin here. He graduated with a BSc in Civil Engineering. He was a scholarship winner, topping mathematics in the Caribbean and placing 7th in everyone in the Caribbean in physics, right? He came here and told us all about himself, but now he's gonna answer a question that students ask all the time. I'm sure you can guess what it is. Let me ask it. Jahlin, after you spend all those years in school studying math, you write CSEC, you write CAPE, you even go to university, what is the use? Nobody use Pythagoras theorem after they leave school. Like, no one.
I beg to differ. I beg to differ. But you hear this all the time where students believe that, after CSEC, they'll have no use for maths. But yeah. I'm here to say that you're wrong, and you grow to realize that a lot of my past colleagues went on to many different fields in many different disciplines, and they're like, Jahlin, this maths way, it can still help me. And maths I believe is one of the most applicable subject to real life, and a lot of things you can do using not just abstract mathematics in terms of 1 plus 1. I mean, you need to use 1 plus 1, but mathematics it brings about a way of solving problem, yes. And that is the most important tool you have as a person who does maths. You are able to analyze and solve problems more analytically, right? So in engineering, I graduated with an engineering degree where I've done engineering work previously, and maths is like, it's something that complements the stuff that you do as an engineer. So it's not a main thing that you go on a site, for example, and you have mathematical equations. No, it's more so the application of the mathematical equations, which is very important. So my advice is, yes, you do use maths, and the best way for you to get the most out of maths is about seeing how it can be applied. Yeah, because a simple trick, Pythagoras theorem, is actually, you could apply it in a day-to-day. Like, if you're probably going to a particular location, some people might opt to go like this.
I did that today with my mom. Oh my God. And she was like, you're a math teacher and you don't know to walk along the hypotenuse.
Yeah, you walk along the diagonal. So that's an everyday application of Pythagoras theorem, So simple things like this is what makes math interesting, because you could apply it, you can apply it. So that would be that.
Yeah, I have another example. So I was taking a student to his karate exam, and I wasn't told what time the exam was. He kept pestering me from the time I got to school, Miss, when we're leaving. So at 10 o'clock, he comes to me and he said, Miss, when we're leaving. So I said, okay, let me ask your teacher. The teacher said, the exam is at 11. He went into panic, I went into panic. We have to reach Chagonas. So I'm saying, okay, at this point in time, we're going to get difficulty getting a taxi. There's going to be traffic. So the taxi used to take half an hour to reach to Chagonas. It might take us 45 minutes. Yeah. And then when we get there, we have to walk to a certain speed, to cover the distance. So we can't stroll, we have to pick up the speed because we only have this amount of time. And he was like, wow, miss, all you're talking is mathematics there. And I'm like, yeah. Because it kind of governs everything we do.
It does.
Yeah. So you're hearing it from the math whiz himself. Mathematics is applicable to your life. You may not see it now, but if you take the moment to ponder it, you'll realize that it's in everything. From how you manage your money, to how you maneuver around the building to how you solve equations when you're doing it as an engineer. It's everywhere. So please value the subject. It does add value to your life.
Yeah, it does.
Thank you for joining us again today.